So, so today we are going to learn what happens when you buy a call option in the simplest way possible. First of all, quick recap. We learned what a call option is, and it's a coupon for buying at a locked-in price. Today we are going to learn what actually happens step by step when you buy a call option. Step number one, you pay the premium. You buy a call option, and because of that, you pay a small fee upfront. In trading, this fee is called the premium, and let's say you buy a coupon for $5. Step number two, you lock in a price. The coupon says you can buy this phone for $120 at any time in the next 30 days. In trading, the strike price is the price of the phone right now, $120. Expiration date is the coupon time, and that's it, 30 days, just for an example. Step number three, you wait and watch what will happen to the phone price. The market price moves every day. Your coupon stays the same. If the price go up, your coupon becomes more valuable. But if the price goes down, your coupon loses value. Scenario number one. Let's say the price go up, and in this case you win. Let's see how you are going to win. Phone price jumps to $150. You use your coupon and you buy your phone at $120, and in this case you can sell it for $150 and get $30 in profit, but you must minus the $5 for the premium you pay. So the profit is $150 minus $120 minus the $5 you pay for the premium, and that's total of $25 of pure profit. Scenario number two, the price go down, you lose. Let's see how you are going to lose in this scenario. Phone drops to $90. Your coupon now is useless, because why you are going to buy the phone at $120 and the phone is at $90? You are going to lose money. So you let the coupon to expire. So in this case, you only lose the $5 you paid. Scenario number three, the price stays flat. And in this scenario, you lose only the premium you paid, because the phone stays at $120 and you can buy it at this price if you have a coupon or if you have not a coupon. So the coupon is now worthless. Step number four. You decide before the expiration date. You have three choices. You can sell the option early if you gained value, and in this case, let's say the phone after 10 days become $150. You can sell this option and make the $30 minus the $5, and in this case you make $25. Scenario choice number two, you can exercise it. You can buy the phone or buy the stock at $120, and in this scenario the phone price will be, let's say, $150, and in this case you save $25. Scenario number three, or choice number three, let it expire worthless. The phone price stays the same, so you make it expire worthless. So your max gain unlimited, because the phone price can go high as it wants, but your max loss are only the premium you have paid, the $5. So when do you profit? You profit when the stock price or the phone price more than the strike price plus the premium, and in this case more than $125 is pure profit. But when do you lose? You lose if the stock price stays below $125. So below $120 you lose the full $5. Between $120 and $125 you lose part of the premium. So why we buy a call option? We buy a call option when you think the stock will rise, or you risk only what you paid, or you can make unlimited profits, and you have no obligation to buy the stock or the phone. Now I am going to make an example for buying a call option. Let's open SPY, and we are opening options. Now we will choose custom, After that, we are going to choose expiration date, 27th of April, 28, 29, 30. We can choose any one we want. Let's say we are going to choose the 1st of May. After that, we see the calls on the left and the puts on the right. Now the price is at $730 or $40. I think the price will not go above $750, let's say. I hit paper trade, and now you see we are going to buy this call option on the market price. It will cost us $4,036, and that's the premium we are going to pay. So the cost of the trade, including commission, $4,030 plus $6.50 for the commission. Our break-even stock price is the price of the stock right now plus the cost of the trade. Our maximum profit is infinite because the stock price can go as much as it wants, and our maximum loss is only the premium we paid, and that's as simple as it can get.